Welcome to my channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. I've got an unboxing today of a 1951 Henry J by Revell, 125 scale. Here's a little close-up of the more than dusty box. This one's been packed away for a while, guys. I believe I seen it earlier. Right there, 1984 on this kit. So that's, what is that, 40 years old already? Wow. That's just crazy to think about that. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this one. Hope everyone's having a great day. Oh. There we go. We got some slightly yellowed instructions here. They've been in the box a while. Taking on the color of the box, it looks like. It says the Saints are here. This was the Saints series. I'm not sure what that is. It was part of Revell's Flamed and Famed Street Demons Car Club. Okay, well there you go. Little info here on Kaiser Motors. Good stuff there. Let's see. Nice little... Huh? Alrighty. Well, look at there. Cutting out the glass. This is just like that other kit. I don't even remember what the other kit was. The Willys, I think it was. That had the thin film of plastic that you traced out your glass and then cut it out and fit it in. It's probably hiding on the bottom of this kit. So yeah, that's the first step, is putting your glass in. That's interesting. A little different. Looks like a firewall there. Dashboard. Dashboard attached to the firewall. Right. Step 6 starts off on the chassis. A little problem with the English language today. Again, alright. 8 is completion of the interior. Alright. Oh, got opening doors on this one. Nice. I didn't catch that on the box. That's nice. Always like the shape of that back there. I thought that was pretty neat. And over here to 12, we're attaching the doors. This looks like the front spindle assembly. Yep. Put your rear end halves together. Well, that's kind of neat. That's your rear hub axle assembly there. Alright, over here. Number 20 before we get to putting the tires and wheels together. And 21 before the engine goes together. That's interesting. Usually everything starts out with number 20, number 1 being the engine, you know. A couple of options there. Nice. Go on the back. Oh, upside down. Putting the fenders onto the hood. Wow, so it's a one-piece hood. I wonder if that's the, yeah it is, it's the tilt hood. I didn't even see that either. Nice. Put your headlights on. No front bumpers. I didn't see a rear bumper either. Interesting. Pretty nice little kit. Let's go ahead and get right into parts here. First we have a bag of parts, bag of molded... Oh. Alright, since it came up... There we go, guys. This thing has been in the box for 40 years. I don't know if you can see it better this way. No, probably not. How about that? Nope. It's just a little, about 3.5 inch by 2 inch piece of thin little plastic, and that's what you're going to make your windshield out of if you want. Your rear window and your rear quarter glass windows. It's been pretty scuffed up sitting in that box for 40 years. Alright, ready? Now we get on to the bag of parts. It's been sealed up for 40 years again. Let's see. I'm most likely going to build this one. I've always liked this kit. And no time like the present, right, to get started on it. Alrighty. First up, we have the body, which feels broken. Yep, the A-pillar's cracked right in half there. So something must have dropped on this box at one time or another. We'll go ahead and fix that up and maybe put a little body putty on there and clean it up real nice. Body itself is like most of the Revell kits I've had lately. They feel a little bit on the thin side as far as the quality of the plastic goes. And the body looks black on the box art, but it's actually more of a really deep purple. And then here you can tell that it didn't go all the way through. There's a little bit of blue hue to it. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera or not. There's that iconic looking rear end. Yep, opening doors, nice. Yeah, a little bit of cleanup on that, and we'll get her going. It's unfortunate, but it happens. Alright. There's your hood. Already got the cutout for the blower to stick through there. I think these are the fender tops. Let's see. Yep. Little headlight sections. Your top of your fenders, and this will be the sides of the fenders, of the front fenders. Yep. And the seat. This appears to be the rear seat. Yep, it has a package tray attached to it. This is the chassis itself, or just the interior part. Dashboard, lightly detailed. Not a whole lot going on that one. Bottom of that. Oh, it says 1984, so that's good. I don't know if this kit was available before that, but at least that matches the date on this kit. Here are the doors. Nice. A little bit of scuffing going on there. Yeah, this kit needs to be cleaned up a bit. Firewall, pretty simple. Shows the steering column kind of going through it. Some little parts here. I'm not sure what those are. They might be for the hood and fenders to rotate, because it is a tilt front end, like I said earlier. Here's radiator and core support. License plates, some door hinges, although, yeah, I said license plates, but those might be part of the hinges also. Yeah, I think that's what they are. A couple of suspension parts, a hose, roll bar, if that's what has in here. Oh boy, then we have the split tires. Yeah, never liked these myself. But I'll go through the parts bin and find some full tires and use those. These are Goodyears. Well defined. You read them real easy. Just not a fan of the two-piece wheels myself. These are your little front tires. Also Goodyears. Alrighty. And for chrome, oh interesting, there's another piece down there. Huh. Alright, for chrome we have some nice wheels. Pardon me. Your hood scoop, your air scoop. Part of the blower, intake. Front and back of the blower. The blower belt and pulleys. A little hard to see with the glare off these things, man. The headlights. Steering wheel's kind of cool. That's kind of neat looking. Valve covers. Headers. This piece here is the front right here. This little chrome bit. Front grille portion, I guess you'd call it. Couple little things going on here. I'm not really sure what they are. And here's a shifter up here on the top. Okay. And then molded in white, we have the front bucket seats, engine block with the transmission, parachute, always cool. Front of the engine. These are locators for the headers, but I don't know if they're the actual heads. Might be. These might be what they're giving you for heads, because they are kind of bumped out a little bit on here already. Oil pan. Some steering parts for the front end. The two-piece rear end. Front spindle or kingpin. Some ladder bars, it looks like. Traction bars. Long ones too. Oh, here's the frame. Well, the frame is round instead of like being squared off, although this part here is square. So I guess it'll sit, if that's the front of the vehicle, it sits this way. Alright. Here's some more suspension parts. Drive shaft. Shock absorbers. 4 of them. A little bit of flashing going on there. And the wheel backs, I believe. Oh, pretty basic on that kit. And here we have the decals. Oh boy, these are some oldies, eh? Yeah, this paper yellowed up. It took the tannin in the box and transferred it into this paper. And there's your decals, just some striping to do their saint thing that they were talking about for their club. That's how they have it on the box art. You know, it's sharp looking. I don't know that that's the way I'm going to go with it. Well, there you have it, folks. That was a quick one. 1984 model kit of a 1951 Henry J by Revell. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for joining me, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff, and hope you're having a wonderful day. I just thought I'd squeeze this one in real quick. All right, you guys, have a great one. We'll see you on the next one.